Hey, Savo here. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction on how I can help you use your consulting website to get more clients. For the past 5 years, I've been writing, designing, and marketing lead generating websites for consultants. I'm the author of Productize Yourself, the consultant's guide to attracting clients through your website. I'm the creator of Consulting Website Template Kit, which I'll talk about on this video. And I'm also the lead content strategist for Consulting Success, the #1 training program in the world for entrepreneurial consultants. And in this video, I'm going to show you how my Consulting Website Template Kit will help you create a consulting website that helps you get more clients. Let's dive in. My kit helps independent consultants and small consulting firms turn their websites into sales machines that generate business 24/7 on autopilot. Now, if you Google consulting website template, you'll find a bunch of templates created by designers who know nothing about consulting. If you use one of these templates, you'll end up with a brochure style website that doesn't do much for your business. You'll be stuck cold calling, cold emailing, and asking for referrals. However, if you want to create a consulting website that actually helps you get more clients, my kit is for you. There's nothing more that I love than helping consultants like you get more clients through your website. My kit has helped hundreds of consultants write, design, and market some of the best consulting websites on the internet. Here's Epic Teams leadership consultant Shannon Hall's website. It's one of the best consulting websites you'll ever see and does a lot of her marketing and sales for her. Here's innovation consultant Fabian Rochig's website. He uses his website to write and publish content that generates leads while he eats, sleeps, and works on other consulting projects. How cool is that? And here is management consultant Mayan Tavakoli's website. He uses his website as confirmational marketing, knowing that all of his prospects check out his website before doing business with him, and it helps him close the deal. And I've got dozens more examples. Over 100 consultants have used my kit to improve their digital presence and get more clients. So what's holding you back from getting results like these? After spending the last 5 years working on consulting websites, here are 3 of the main problems consultants have with their website. First, you don't know how to write your consulting website, or you find the writing so challenging you don't even bother. Second, you don't know how to design a consulting website that actually guides prospects towards contacting you. And third, you don't know how to market your consulting website and bring prospects to it. So even if it is really good, your website can't do its job. Now I'm going to dive a bit deeper into these 3 problems and show you how my kit will help you solve them. The first problem with creating a consulting website is copywriting, writing words that sell for your consulting website. And this is where a lot of consultants get stuck. Copywriting for your consulting website is a challenge for many reasons. I just Googled Wix consulting template, and I'm going to click on the first result here. I'll pick a template that looks nice to demonstrate this problem. So all of the templates you look at, they're full of this placeholder text or lorem ipsum, and they're created by designers who know nothing about copywriting, let alone copywriting specifically for consultants, which is its own thing. They expect you to fill in the blanks. The problem is that you likely have very little experience writing words that sell, and that's what copywriting is. If you need to write a report to a client, I'm sure you're fine doing that. But if you need to market your consulting services or write about your story, that's where you get stuck. It's also difficult to communicate the value of your services when your services are intangible, like consulting. For copywriting, you don't even know where to start. How many pages should be on the website? What should those pages be about? And then to top it all off, you're looking at a blank page and having trouble getting started. Now, once you've managed to write your consulting website, the next problem is design. Now, most consultants think design means making something that looks pretty. This Wix template, for example, looks pretty good, but that doesn't mean it's well designed. Design for a consulting website is about solving problems, your marketing and lead generation problem. In order to run your consulting business, you need to create conversations with prospective clients. If you design your website like a brochure, kind of like this one we're looking at, even if it's really pretty, it's not going to guide your prospective client into contacting you. A good design for a consulting website is a design that guides your prospect into contacting you or becoming a lead. These brochure-style consulting website templates that designers make don't do that. They are designed to display information about you and your firm. They're all about you and your firm instead of being about your client, and that's why they are designed to fail. So let's say you manage to write and design your consulting website. You have a big launch day and think you're done. You expect the clients to start rolling in now that your consulting website is live. This is the third problem. The launch of your consulting website is just the beginning. If there's one thing you struggle with more than copywriting or design, it's marketing. Without marketing, your consulting website will generate 0 visitors. And without visitors, it can't do its job of turning these visitors, your prospective clients, into leads. Whether you use a Wix or Squarespace template like this one, or if you use a freelance designer, neither of them will teach you how to market your consulting website, which is the most important thing. And unless you're a seasoned marketer yourself, it's not obvious how you'll drive meaningful traffic to your consulting website. Squarespace templates and Wix templates like the one here and freelance designers can't help you solve these problems. They can help you make a consulting website that looks nice, but that won't help you get clients. For your website's copy, these templates are full of meaningless placeholder text. Freelance designers will ask you for the copy before they even start building your consulting website. And neither of these options address the problem. They just create more work and headaches for you. For your website's design, these templates and designers are working from the wrong paradigm. They're all about making a website that looks good in their portfolio instead of one that generates results for you. They know nothing about consulting and how consultants generate business, and thus they can't design a truly effective consulting website. Remember this, aesthetics does not equal effectiveness. Finally, for your website's marketing, you're out of luck if you're working with a generic template or a freelance designer. Designers will create your website, take their paycheck, and then be on their way to creating their next pretty website. If you ask them about marketing, they won't have a clue. They probably have enough problems marketing themselves as it is. So here's how I'll help you solve these problems with my consulting website template kit. First, the kit gives you both design and copywriting templates. That's right, no lorem ipsum. The words are already there and you just have to fill in the blanks. But how do you choose the right words? That's where my copy collection and website variables worksheet come into play. Good copy is curated, not written. You can find the right words by reading and listening to what your potential clients are saying about their dreams, desires, pains, frustrations, objections, and uncertainties, and echoing these words back at them on your consulting website. Not only will this make your copywriting process easier, but it'll make your website far more effective. Second, I designed my kit to do 2 things: to grow your list and create more conversations with your prospective clients. Every section, every word, and every pixel is strategically positioned and placed to help you generate leads. It looks clean and modern. I still wanted to make it look great, but I didn't build it to show off my design skills. I built it to make your bank account look good. Now, if you use WordPress with Xtheme, you'll be able to set up the design for each of the 9 must-have pages for consultants with one click. That's going to save you weeks of trying to do it yourself. And if you use a builder like Squarespace or Wix, you can still use the kit. You'll just have to rely on these screenshots and copywriting templates. It's a bit slower, but the end result is just as effective. So you can basically use whatever platform you want to write and design and launch using the template kit. Or maybe you aren't going to design or build the website yourself and you're going to get a web designer to do it for you. That's where I've actually seen the best results. Give my kit and the worksheets within it to your web designer and they'll understand how to design a website for a consultant who wants to generate leads. And they'll also be able to customize it to make it fit your unique brand. Third, my kit is actually much more than just a kit. It comes with a mini course hosted on Teachable, which you're looking at here, a copy of my book, Productize Yourself, the Consultant's Guide to Attracting Clients Through Your Website, and personalized coaching from me. I have an entire chapter and lesson of my course dedicated to teaching you how to market your consulting website so you can bring your prospective clients to it. Remember, this is one of the most important parts, and where a lot of consultants fail is the marketing. So I have an entire 24-minute lesson in my course and an entire chapter of my book, both included with the kit that will teach you how to market your consulting business online. And I boil it down to the marketing habits, which I'll quickly list here. Write, publish content, self-promote, direct outreach, and network tap. If you do these marketing habits, you'll generate traffic to your website. In the course, I show you an example of me doing all 5 of these marketing habits, and this might be the most valuable part of the entire kit. Because if you learn how to market yourself and do it consistently, you'll never be without clients. And finally, if you ever get stuck on anything, remember, you get customized coaching and personal coaching from me, and you can reach out to me for help at any step. You'll never feel alone, you'll never feel stuck. This is what I love to do, and I'll personally help you succeed with your consulting website and use it to get more clients. So if I were you, here's what I would do. First, consider if you even want to go down the consulting website route. I'll be completely honest, you don't need a well-written, well-designed consulting website to build a great consulting business. If you're really good at cold calling, cold emailing, networking, and attending conferences, then you can rely on those skills to get your clients. And if you think you'll generate dozens of leads the first week your website goes live, think again. This is a slower, longer-term process. You'll have to get your hands dirty, you have to create content, you have to push yourself outside of your comfort zone. But once you do launch your consulting website and do the marketing habits consistently, you'll never need to do another form of marketing again if you don't want to. Your website will do all of your marketing for you. You'll gain much more than just a lead generating website. You'll learn how to do market research and deeply understand your client. You'll learn how to write and communicate the value of your services. You'll learn how to create web pages with the specific purpose of growing your business. And you'll learn how to market yourself and attract clients without feeling spammy or promotional. So if all of this resonates with you, you can pick up my kit like this. Just scroll to where you see the consulting website template kit with bonuses or without bonuses, make your pick, and then click on Get Instant Access, and then click on Get Instant Access again, complete the checkout process, and it's all yours. So who benefits the most from the kit? Independent consultants and small firms, those who take action, those who are serious about wanting to no longer rely on cold calling, referrals, and networking, and actually use their website to get more clients. Who is this not for? If you're not a consultant or small consulting firm, you're probably better off looking elsewhere. If you're looking for instant results, this isn't for you. And if you're looking for a miracle cure, this isn't it. So if you're actually willing to use the kit, meaning writing your consulting website, building it, and marketing it, you will create your most powerful marketing and sales lead generating asset. You'll have a virtual salesperson who markets and sells your consulting services 24/7 while you eat, sleep, and work on other projects. If that sounds like something you want, again, you can click on Get Instant Access, and then Get Instant Access again, and you can grab the kit. It also comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. I'm confident that with my kit, you'll write, design, and build your lead-generating consulting website. If after 90 days you haven't found value in the kit, email me and show me that you've done the work, and I'll give you a full refund, and I'll even take the credit card processing fee too. You can basically set up the entire kit, watch the course, and market your consulting business using the booklets and the mini course for months, and then decide if it's right for you. If you do the work and you don't think this will drastically improve your marketing efforts, I'll give you a full refund and you can keep the kit. So one more time, you can grab my consulting website template kit at the lowest price it'll ever be and be locked into future updates for life by grabbing it by clicking on the Get Instant Access button. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside and helping you turn your consulting website into your #1 lead generating asset.